Hey guys, as you know, we are discovering expression Web 4. In this session, we will learn about the basic structures of HTML and CSS, and later on, we will use expression web to create a small and simple web page. Yeah, okay, now let's see. Here is the basic structure of HTML document. We can see here, you see on the top doc type HTML that tells that every this document is going to have HTML code, and here you see every HTML code, whatever you have, how much long code you have, that you have to place all the tags between a pair of two tags. That those are HTML start and HTML end. So it is a pair of tags, starting tag and ending tag with a slash. And rest all, we have lots of tags for holding different types of data. Head tag holds the title of the web page. The title on the top, it comes right like that, and body holds all the content of your web page. Headings, it could be paragraphs, it could be like pictures, your videos, animations, hyperlinks. Whatever you see on the web page is held by this body. And what are tags? Tags are placeholders of text on web page. So the content is held by these tags, and styling of this content, or we call it the text, by CSS. So if you ask me just to give some examples of tags, you see here head tag, we have paragraph tag, and heading 1. This is called heading 1. Yep, head mainly applies to this. You see here on the top, what you see, Google is the title of the web page, and from here you see a border like a box, like a line, until the end you see this is all called the body. Okay, body tag, this one, and this is the head or and title tag, we place it in. Okay, so now let's come back here. Sorry. Yep. The styling of this is done using CSS, as you know, and you see here HTML basically divided into head, the title, and the body. Body contains the rest all the content. Now we'll see the basic structure of CSS. Here the tag is taken in the beginning like this. Here, for example, H1, the heading 1, it's called selector, and the declaration of the styles inside a curly braces like this. The property 1 is a color. It's taken here. The color of the heading is blue as a value here, and you have to place them with a colon there, colon, and this is one property. It's separated from another property using a semicolon. Yep, so color is one property, font size is another property. You can have lots of properties from context menu when you're trying to type in there. Fine, we're going to see in the next video how we're going to place that all and create a beautiful web page. Now, what are properties? Properties are the features or characteristics of a tag. You can have lots of properties for every tag, the look, the style. If you want to add or display with any text, you can do it by placing in CSS document. Here you see there are two properties taken for heading 1. One is a color, and how to give the value. First you have to use a colon, then the color name. It could be any color, blue, green, red, whatever you like. Then semicolon. Then we go for the next property, font size. How much is the size? 12 pixels, 15 pixels, 20 pixels, whatever you want. We can place it. We can see more examples here like this. Here of the HTML document. You see this is taken from our expression web. Look at that. Yep, this is the title, which is not yet saved. I can see, just which we are not discussing over here, just you can ignore it. Okay, this all you can ignore it. Fine. So what is important for us is the HTML, end of HTML, head tags, and inside head you have the title, and then the body tag, a pair of body tags. Here is another example as well. It starts and finishes with the HTML tag. Perfect. Head tag is the next tag. Perfect. And head includes the title tag here. Perfect. And next comes the body tag. Yep. This is where most of the visible web content appears. Fine. Now we'll see more examples of CSS. Here you see H1 heading 1 tag. Here earlier we saw in a single line to place, either that way you can do or this way as well you can do. Look at that. Color black, semicolon, come to the next line, font size 36 pixels. Yep. And there is a pair of curly braces. Now here is another example of paragraph tag. Paragraph got 3 properties. 1, color, then you have the font size, then width. Width is 200 pixels in the sense paragraph is nothing but a long text, right? So how long you want it on a web page? So we want to just stretch it across in the web page till 200 pixels. That's what it means. Now, so here, from here onwards, this is the web page we will create in expression web, but that's going to be in the next video as it's getting longer. Just wait for my next video to upload. Here you see, let's try to understand. First we're going to give a title, my sample web page, and in the body I'm going to add 2 tags. H1, welcome to my web page, end of H1, and one I'm taking paragraph tag where I want to just place a long text or content just explaining about. Even I can add further more paragraphs. How many you want, that many you can place the paragraphs, but you have to place it between this pair of body. Then only it appears in your web page. Fine. And if you see what we're going to add for the styling there, look at that. Yep. Here for the H1, I'm going to add the back color. That's nothing but background color of the heading. Okay. Background color of the heading. I'm going to take some color. Okay, it's up to me what color I choose. Even you can choose any color what you like. And padding is the text around, sorry, the space around the text. Okay, the space around the text, how much you want to leave the space around the text. Around this heading, I want to leave 10 pixels of the space, empty space. That's called padding. Okay, so px for pixels. And then I want to align this heading 1, that's using text align, centering it in the web page. It comes in the center of there. Fine. This is for the CSS for my heading 1. 3 styling I'm doing, and for the body I'll take the font as Arial, and the background color of the web page, yeah, it applies to the whole web page, right? If you place it in the body, yeah, the whole web page where you have your content. You can just add the background color as any color, like gray, whatever you like. Yep. So this is what we are going to do in the next video.